Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the city center of Da Nang. We're gonna take a little stroll here around. This is in the middle of the city center. This is between the airport and the Han River. So it's exactly in the middle. This street is very busy. Lots of good things to be found in here. And we're gonna take a little bit of a stroll here. I'm gonna also show you the electric street here. Also, if I'm right, if I remember right, there should be also my camera store right in this area here. Lots of small little convenience stores. Marcus is getting his t-shirt printed. I will also make a video on that on my main channel. And look at this Mi Quang. Ooh la la. I would like to try this one. And I see here also some t-shirts, guys. You might be able to. Lots of t-shirts even. Lots of t-shirts. This is where you get the good deals, guys. You can get gas here. This here is as local as it gets here. The local city side of Da Nang, okay? Usually streets have a theme, right? If there are some clothing stores, usually the whole street is full of them. If there are some outdoor equipment, some gardening equipment or something like that, or bicycles, the whole street is full of that. But look at this, Bun Bo Huang. Interesting. Lots of people in there. My God. That is really interesting. Bun Bo. Bun Bo. Oh. They also have the lunch menu and gom, rice dishes, beautiful. Lots of coffee shops around. And check out this. There's a little bit of a lake here. Are we in Hanoi? Gives me Hanoi vibe here, this little neighborhood. Yeah, you got a little bit of a lake in here. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but yeah, looks good. And let's check out, look at how many coffee shops there are here. One coffee shop right after another. Look at this, yeah. Another coffee shop. It's like all those coffee shops are my type of coffee shops. I should definitely get one coffee here. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Breakfast stand here, interesting. And sugarcane juice, beautiful. I absolutely love sugarcane juice. Aisan, seafood over there. Ooh. Lau. Is it hot pot? No. Bonaire, Bun Mam. My God. We might be up to something here, but I'm gonna show you the electric street soon. So this is the real local Da Nang here. There are no real tourist attractions here, you know. It's just stores you kind of need. So now we are here in this, I would call it the electric street. There also is a VP bank, which is very interesting, where you can get zero fees, up to 20 million Vietnamese dong as of today. Very interesting. This is a beautiful thing about Da Nang. Let's say you want to pick up some cash. You want to do ATM run. You don't want to spend the fees right in the Antung area. Just do a little bit of a excursion, right? Just take this VP bank here in the heart of Da Nang, drive there, get some cash, or maybe walk around and then get some cash. But you know what? It's safe anyways. It don't matter if you have lots of money on you. And just look around here and find some lunch here, you know? Look at this huge building. Okay. And this is the Modern Bank Vietnam, another bank. They have so many banks here, it's crazy. Yeah. So I think this is the next to, laptop. They're all electronic stores, guys. They're all like smaller ones, bigger ones. You can get phones here, you can phone repairs. All kinds of electronic needs are in this street, guys. I know it because all the way in the front is where I bought this camera. You see this video and hear the video with the microphone. I bought everything here in this street. So in my opinion, it's also the best one. Tokyo Camera, shout out to you. I like them because they deliver with card reading device. So if you're sitting in a coffee shop and you want to buy a new DJI camera, text them. They will come. They will pull up with the motorbike, bring the brand new article, closed, sealed, and then you can tap with your credit card. You get it done. Done deal. Awesome. Apple Center. I highly doubt this is real Apple. Okay. All right, guys. Don't trip, Sammy. Don't trip. Right, guys. You got also a spa in between shopping. You know, let's Uno reverse card here, okay? So, we want to buy electronics, something usually women are not interested, at least my wife not. And then you just say, hey baby, I want to go into every single place here and check out a new something for the laptop, right? Just put her here, get her 30 minutes shampooing and all kinds of special treatment. Perfect. And you can get a pho or just go shopping. Is that sexist? I don't know. Comment below if you're female and you like to shop electronics. Look at this. You can buy all kinds of PC things here. Graphic cards. Yeah. I think this is a boy thing, like tall boys like me. They like this kind of nerdy stuff. If you want to, for example, let's say you want to have a gaming computer, which is not Apple, right? I think this is the street to do this. What is this? Cheers Restaurant. Ruo. Okay. I don't know what it is, but it looks pretty fancy. It looks almost French. And look at this store here, PC, huge TV behind the screen there. Interesting. And there you can buy actually electronics. And look at this, another Apple store, guys. Who said we don't have Apple store in Da Nang? I really don't know if that's real. They usually resell the iPhones, but I would be safe and go to FPT or the Geo Ding Dong. One of those, I think, is the legit places. I think if you want to have a used iPhone, which is totally fine here too, but always keep an eye, like look it up. But as you can see here, you have all kinds of PC gaming equipment, cameras. If you want to have an extra screen, you can buy it here too. I think Marcus bought his laptop screen, his screen for the PC or something. For our Mac Mini 4, he bought it over there. Also, do you see this? That's agar wood, baby. I'm gonna become healthy, wealthy, and spiritual. This is Vietnamese agar wood. Thank you to the agar wood man who gave it to me as a present. I'm very honored, very honored. And I feel already spiritual evolved. This is a emergency vehicle. All right, I'm gonna show you my camera store real quick. And then I'm gonna walk over there and back to Marcus. So this is where Marcus, I think, bought his screen, his extra screen. And you can see here lots of Apple products as well. That's FPT, guys, so I always buy my stuff at FPT. Great offers, great deals actually. And this here is Tokyo Camera. They should sponsor me. I gave them so many customers, but it's okay. They're very nice people. Very nice. Do I need anything? You know, this is the thing, right? So you walk in and then you're like, oh, maybe I should get something like this. Maybe I should get something like this. Maybe I should just not go in there and get some Mi Quang instead. I know if I walk in there, it's like, yeah, I want to buy something. But I guess that comes with becoming a camera nerd and filming and doing YouTube. But I'm trying to stay here in the shade. It's pretty hot. I hope this is the right way here over there. But yeah. Bunmam, Bunbo. Okay, guys. I think there might be some good food here. Banchang Kuon Pit here. Ooh. Okay, guys, I had to clean my lens twice now. Gom dum. Oh, look at this, the pork chop. It's getting barbecued right in front. Putting on some rice. Beautiful. And look at how many coffee shops there are. Oh, I love it. Oh, more rice dishes. Oh yeah, cha zua. Coffee. Milk tea and coffee. Cha zua is milk tea. And if my wife listens to this, she's gonna tell me I pronounce it wrong again, probably. Zua, zua, zua. You know how annoying it is to order a coffee? Marcus! Marcus! Look at him, he looks so lost. You know how annoying it is to order a coconut coffee and a milk coffee with condensed milk, right? Because you say Kaffee Zur, Zur da, iced milk coffee, and then you say Kaffee Zur, Zur. Yeah, I'm just talking about milk coffee and coconut coffee.
Oh.
Yeah.
What is the German name for word for today?
Oh, German word for today? Eierlikör.
Oh, I thought Straßenverkehrsbehörde would be nice.
Oh, you know what? Look at this. There's another Apple store with a, but that's very interesting. The bite is a face print. Okay, Straßenverkehrsbehörde, Ordnung? Nee, Ordnung.
I forgot what I said.
Straßenverkehrsordnung. Traffic law.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Straßenverkehrsordnung. Traffic law. All right. Marcus, you need to be aware of the Straßenverkehrsordnung here, okay?
Yes, I have. Yeah, very much. That was a good example.
Did you order it already?
Yeah, it's done.
Okay, awesome.
I can pick it up. Oh, they will deliver it tomorrow at 6 p.m. And you will never ever guess how much it is for 2 shirts with 104 names in the back and all this other stuff.
Okay. You know what? Let me know the next time when we see each other. Okay?
But probably you could guess the price.
In the comments?
I put 104 names and little stuff here. How much you guess in dong or US dollars?
All right. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching. This here is a beautiful street to explore. Go to the side streets, go to everywhere, try a bowl of mysterious noodles and get happy here, guys. It's a very safe environment. This is the deepest center of Da Nang.
Of the local.
Yeah, it's right between airport and the river, so check it out, get some good food, and see you in the next walk. Check out this video.